Environmental design is a really broad field, and it can lead to so many different careers in the world. And part of being part of this arc is figuring out what really speaks to you. My name's Ellee Stapleton. With the Environmental Design arc, I will be the faculty director. The environmental design academic residential community is a community of first-year students who are living and learning together. I have a background and a lot of experience in really participatory and engaged teaching styles, so I love getting students out in the field. I love really asking students to be active parts of the learning process. Environmental design students have a lot of opportunities to travel on field trips to different parts of the state, meeting with either local practitioners, community members, or local experts, learning about different environmental contexts. So you don't just show up in the classroom and then dash off to your next class. You're getting to go out in the world and laugh and play and have meaningful experiences. And to me, so much of what makes for special connections is those shared experiences you have in the world. I think any student can succeed in the environmental design arc. I think the students who are going to be most excited to be part of this experience are students who are passionate about making positive change in the world, especially when it comes to community and the natural environment. The environmental design arc is a great starting point for students who think they might want to major in environmental design or maybe another related design discipline like planning or landscape architecture or architecture. Even for students who maybe don't know what they want to major in, it can be a great way to figure that out and to start testing the waters on different kinds of classes and majors and areas of interest. So starting in your first term with the ARC can be a great way to know that you might want to pursue one of those longer options. I think there are so many things happening across UVO campus, but it can be pretty hard to find your place when you're just starting out. Knowing that you're going to meet a set of people who are passionate about the same environmental challenges, have the same drive to make positive change in the world, and are interested in creating and making, I think is a recipe for a really meaningful set of social connections. We really, in the College of Design, have strong connections between faculty and students. Faculty often work very closely with students. And then in the long run, those faculty mentors become potentially long-term friends, collaborators, colleagues, people who are in your corner for your life. So we'll do a lot of thinking hard, working hard, but also hopefully having a lot of time to play hard and connect as a community.